In space, seconds decide power, prosperity, security. Section 1. The new space race, a race against time. The United States stands at a critical juncture in space. A new era of competition is unfolding above our heads. This is not a slow, deliberate march into the cosmos. It is a sprint. Nations and private companies across the globe are moving with incredible speed. They are launching satellites, testing new rockets, and planning missions to the moon and beyond. China is rapidly expanding its space capabilities, from its own station to robotic lunar missions. India and the United Arab Emirates are also pressing forward. Private companies, both domestic and foreign, are now major forces. Leadership in space translates into economic prosperity, technological superiority, and national security. Traditional slow-moving processes are no longer sufficient. The US needs a new model to keep up. The time for incremental change has passed. A daring plan is required. Section 2. The SEZ solution. A powerful tool is the Special Economic Zone, or SEZ. An SEZ is a designated area with unique economic regulations that differ from the rest of the country. Its purpose is simple: make doing business easier and more attractive. Think shared infrastructure and fast lanes for industry. Incentives include tax breaks that fuel research, development, and hiring. Permitting and licensing are streamlined through a single dedicated authority. Clear customs rules speed imports of components and exports of finished products. Together, these cut the cost and time from idea to market. From Shenzhen to Jebel Ali and US foreign trade zones, the model works. Now, apply this proven model to the final frontier. A space SEZ could cluster near a launch site, a research university, or an industrial park, with rules tailored for space. The goal: hubs of innovation that lower barriers, scale companies, and attract talent and capital across rockets, satellites, and in-space manufacturing. Section 3. Necessary policy and legal reforms begin with Congress authorizing space-focused SEZs. Define goals, set designation criteria, and grant agencies the authority to implement. With a legal framework in place, Commerce, FAA, and FCC must act. Inside an SEZ, create a one-stop shop for launch, payload, and spectrum approvals. Slash bureaucratic delays to save companies precious time and money. Modernize export controls to protect secrets while enabling allied collaboration. Use a cleared list of allied countries and companies for safe investment and talent recruitment. Maintain rigorous controls on the most critical technologies. Success depends on strong public-private partnerships. Government provides legal structure, seed infrastructure, and lab access. Industry brings capital, entrepreneurial drive, and operational expertise. Together, they build a robust, dynamic space ecosystem. While the economics are compelling, SEZs must be designed with unwavering focus on national security. Commercial space technologies can have military applications. Streamlined regulations demand a smarter security framework, not the abandonment of one. A stronger commercial base fortifies national security and intelligence with resilient capabilities. Guard against technology transfer to strategic competitors with stringent oversight. Conduct comprehensive personnel checks and rigorous reviews of foreign participation. Identify tech too sensitive for open zones and protect it under stricter controls. Use controlled environments for trusted collaboration among allies. Establish a dedicated governance body with commerce, defense, state, and the intelligence community. Empower continuous monitoring, risk assessment, and enforcement. Give authority to approve or deny participants and halt risky activity. With diligent oversight, SEZs can power innovation without compromising security. The economic case is powerful. Space SEZs are engines for high-paying jobs. Engineering, software, manufacturing, and technical support roles cluster and grow. Ripple effects boost local services, construction, and supply chains. Incentives and certainty attract domestic and foreign capital. Capital fuels startups, scales incumbents, and expands research. More prototypes, more breakthroughs, the virtuous cycle accelerates. SEZs sharpen US competitiveness in satellite broadband, in space, manufacturing, and resource utilization. Clustering speeds ideas, partnerships, supply chains, and talent development. This mission needs a unified front: Congress, regulators, states, and industry. Authorize and fund a pilot space SEZ near a launch facility, strong industrial base, and research universities. Set clear 5-year targets and iterate based on results. Build a faster, smarter, more competitive ecosystem. Leaders must act now to secure America's future in space.